The main functions of the process are: increase the dry solids content of the weak black liquor from less than 20% to 75 to 85% for combustion in the recovery boiler. Produce condensates for use in the other departments of the pulp mill. Low pressure and medium pressure steam are used for evaporation. The other secondary products from the evaporation plant are warm water and methanol. The weak black liquor is concentrated in the multiple effect evaporation plant. Weak liquor is pumped from the weak liquor storage tank to the back-end effects. Liquor flows encounter current through the evaporation plant, starting from effect 7 through to effect 1A. Each evaporation unit is equipped with a circulation pump that transfers liquor to a liquor distribution center at the top of the unit. The liquor flow from one effect to the next is mainly achieved with a dedicated transfer pump. The final product is firing liquor, which is pumped to a firing black liquor storage tank to feed the recovery boiler. The task of the liquor distribution system is to spread liquor evenly over the heating surface. Medium pressure steam is piped to effect 1A. Low pressure steam is piped to effects 1B, 1C, and 1D. The vapor generated from these effects is piped into effect 2. Similarly, vapor generated in effect 2 is piped to effect 3, and so on through the multiple effects system. Effects are numbered in the direction of the vapor flow. Vapor from effect 7 is condensed in a lamella-type surface condenser by cooling water. The energy recovered is used to heat water. Evaporated condensate is discharged with high quality and at optimum temperatures in 2 fractions, referred to as A condensate and B condensate. Each fraction is tailored for specific use, enabling 100% reuse in a fiber line and white liquor plant with minimum additional energy input. Foul condensate, produced by the evaporation plant and other departments, is cleaned from the stripping column connected to the evaporation plant and mixed with A condensate for further use. Methanol-containing gases from the stripper are concentrated in the methanol plant, producing liquid methanol. Besides weak black liquor, the evaporation plant can also process various side streams for combustion in the recovery boiler. Examples of these side streams are spent acid from the chloride dioxide generator, brine from the tall oil acidulation, biosludge, mechanical pulping effluents, lignin removal system and bark press filtrates, and bleach plant effluents. There are no emissions from the evaporation plant, but only streams for use in the pulp mill processes. These streams for further use include firing liquor, warm water, A and B condensates, and concentrated and diluted non-condensable gases. The primary target of the evaporation plant is to produce a stable, high solids black liquor stream for efficient combustion in the recovery boiler. All condensates generated in the evaporation plant are 100% reusable in other departments of the mill. The condensate qualities and temperatures can be tailored based on customer requirements. ANDRITZ's lamella technology and the unique process solution for scaling control reduces washing needs, ensures cleanability, and avoids plugging of heating surfaces, which results in high availability and increases the overall production and efficiency of the plant. ANDRITZ's unique process design combined with our lamella technology ensures the best achievable steam economy at all times. Furthermore, our technology reduces energy consumption by liquor circulation pumps, resulting in the lowest power use in the evaporation plant. ANDRITZ has a proven track record in delivering evaporation plants with more than 450 references worldwide.